सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel at DG Vidya. Today we are going to learn how to create a poster designing using CorelDRAW. So here is CorelDRAW. I create a new file and name it real, and my size will be tabloid size, width 11 inches, height 17 inches, and then I press OK. So today we are going to design a real estate poster designing for a client. So here is my page. My size is 11 inches into 15 inches. The next step is I am going to create a rectangle and fill blue color in it, and my outline is none. And after that I am going to use mesh tool. So here is mesh tool, and the row and column is 2 by 2, and then I just create. Fine. After making my background, I want to import an image here, so I go to file and import an image. Fine. After importing the image, I just place it. Okay. The next step is I am going to make a steps. So fine, here I make a design. Fine. Okay, so next step is I want to write the tagline here. So for tagline, and increase the size and change the font face into blacklist, and just drag here and just decrease the size and change the color into white, and press P for page center. And I change the font face into Futura Pretty Bold, change the color into white. Right, basically I write down the content here, and after write out content, I just want to put some icons here. So I need some vector icons. For vector icons, I go to file menu and import some PNG icons I download from internet here. So here is my some icons, and I have convert into vector. So I go to property bar, and there is option called trace bitmap. In trace bitmap, you go to outline trace and click here for high quality image trace. So here is my high quality image trace. I just delete the lower one, and here is my images, and I select the image and right click on it and ungroup all objects. Right, after ungrouping all objects, I just select this one and just drag this and press Ctrl G for group. Right, and change the color into white, and I drag this one to paste here. Right, so I need individually, I make a circle here and change the color into white, and outline is none. Then I press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, right, and I just change color into here, and then I'm going to use this Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and change the color into white and drag this object to right. So I basically set the icons 3 here, 3 another side. Okay, after that I set all the icons here. So after that I want to write something here, so I go to type tool, I write down visitors and align the into center and font face will be Future APT bold, and I just use the leading and drag here and change the color into white. Fine. And I delete all the icons here, and I want to write something about the icons. So I go to, I press Ctrl C, I just copy the content here and go to type tool, type, and my will be 8, and I press Ctrl V here, right? So after that I change the color into white and go to alignment palette and full justify. Okay, so I basically copy paste all these things. Fine, I just write down the text here. This is lorem ipsum text. So my body part is over. So right now I just want to make my header part. So for header part I want to place a logo here. So for that I am going to import the company logo. So here is my company logo. Then I go to property bar and go to trace and outline trace and high quality trace. I want to change this for logo into vector format. So press OK and drag the upper one and delete the lower one, and select the logo and just scale down the logo and change the color into white. And I just place a logo here and change the snap into snap with guideline. So my logo is snap with my guidelines. Okay, so now I want to import some cloud. So for cloud I just import the cloud one. Fine, this is a PNG format, and I'll download this cloud from internet. I want to send it back, so I right click on it and going to order. In order there is the option is back one, control place down, control plus page down. I am using control page down, page down, page down, page down. Okay, oh, then control plus page down. Fine. So the next step is I just control C, control V here and scale this one, and I want to flip this. Fine. So the last step is I want to some social media icons here. So I go to file, I just import some social media icons and I just paste those social media icon here. So this is a poster designing for a real estate company. So please guys, if you like our design, so please do like and subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching.